Hello everyone, my name's Sky. Welcome to another online story time. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to sing some songs and read a story about puddle jumping and rain. Let's sing our welcome song. Hello everyone, welcome everyone. It's story time, it's story time. We're going to sing some songs and read a lot of stories. So quiet now and listening, please. Our theme for this week is rain. In the spring it rains a lot so that it can help all the plants and flowers grow. Do you ever go outside after it rains? Maybe to jump in all the puddles that the rain has created? What would you put on? Would you put on some gumboots? Maybe a raincoat or a rain hat? Let's sing a song about jumping in puddles. Drip drop, drip drop. If you have space where you are, maybe you could get up to do the actions and stomp really hard at the splish splosh bit. Ready? Drip drop, drip drop, rain is falling down. Drip drop, drip drop, splashing all around. Let's put on our gumboots, our raincoats and our hat, and jump in all the puddles with a splish splosh splash. That was fun. In our story today, the characters also really enjoy splishing and sploshing in the puddles. Let's read the story and find out their adventures. The book is called Puddle Hunters and it's by Kirsty and Karen Blair. When the rain stops, it's time to go puddle hunting. Ruby and Banjo hunt for their boots. Found them, says Ruby. Boots, boots, says Banjo. Can you see the red boots and the yellow boots? Banjo hunts for puddles in the garden, but the flowers have soaked up all the rain. No puddles here, says Ruby. No puddles, says Banjo. Ruby hunts for puddles in the street. The footpath glistens. No puddles there, says Ruby. No puddles, says Banjo. In the park, Mama has to run to keep up with the puddle hunters. There's Mum with the dog. They hunt on the hillside, they hunt under the trees. Ruby hunts beside the path. Banjo hunts behind a bush. Hold hands, says Ruby, as they cross the bridge. There they are, walking across the bridge. On the river flats, the puddles lie waiting to be hunted. Do you think Ruby and Banjo are going to find them? Puddles, puddles, shouts Ruby. Puddles, puddles, shouts Banjo. They found the puddles. Their dog looks pretty happy about it too. Splosh it, Banjo! Splosh it, yells Ruby. Splosh, splosh, yells Banjo. They look like they're having so much fun. Ruby makes a rainbow. Do you see the rainbow? Banjo finds a puddle all to himself. Banjo's stuck, shouts Ruby. Gawk, gawk, shouts Banjo. He got stuck. His boots are still there in the puddle. Ruby hunts down the perfect puddle. She runs, she leaps, she lands with a splash. Ruby spins and spins and spins. Until the whole world is whirling. Stop, stop, shouts Mama. Flush, flush, yells Banjo. Oh dear, says Mama. Oh dear, says Banjo. Ruby fell down. My boots are squelchy, says Ruby. Ruby and Banjo hunt one last shiny puddle for one last splash. Splosh it, Ruby, splosh it, Banjo, says Mama. There's Mama sploshing in the puddles with them, having so much fun. At home in the bath, Ruby's toes tingle in the warm water. Banjo makes a splash. Ruby blows a froth of bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, shouts Banjo. Clouds as fat as polar bears tumble in the evening sky. Rain begins to fall. Can you see those clouds up there? They look like polar bears. Tomorrow will be another good day for puddle hunting. That's the end of the story. For our next song, let's get our fingers ready for the actions to Incy Wincy Spider. This is a song about the rain and the sunshine as well, isn't it? Ready? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us for another online story time. We hope to see you next week. Let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Goodbye, everyone. Maybe you can find some paddles to splish, splosh, splash in today on your walk. Goodbye.